how to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month. And you won't need any skill, you will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service. So guys, I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can do all of that. So first of all, open your browser, if it's Chrome browser, whatever browser you'd like to use. Then go to Google Maps, which is this one here. And here you open Google Maps. Then you go to the search of Google Maps and you type the United States. That's what we are going to use in today's explanation. And then zoom in on the United States, and here make sure to choose a country, a state or a city, because you can't just jump in from a state to a state. We need to focus on one city. Then check all of the available business owners or the available small businesses that we can reach out to and we can offer our services to. Then we will move to the other cities or states. So here, for example, I'm going to go to Montana here. Let's zoom in. Here, zoom in. And that's it. Then we go to the search and you type whatever kind of small business you'd like to start with. For example, let's start with, I don't know, let's start with gyms, for example. Let's go for gyms and let's look for gyms. So here I'm going to show you how you can find the best small businesses that has the most rate or the highest rate to work with, that you have the highest rate to work with. So for example, like this one's profile here, he has 56 reviews. That means he has less than 150 reviews, and also he doesn't have a sponsored written in the top of his profile. That means this one is the perfect kind of small business that we want to reach out to, the ones with less than 150 reviews and with no sponsors written in their profile. So here let's check this one's profile, for example, and the first thing we will be looking for is if they have a website or not. So here they have a website. Then we check the website first to see if the website is old or new. If it's old, we can offer to renovate their website, but if it's new, like this one, for example, in here, as you can see, the website is pretty good, is great. Actually, it's great. It has great home and also great features. So we won't need to update anything in here. They won't need any renovation, so let's just skip the website part and let's move on to the the other part, which is looking for bad reviews that we can improve for them. So here, or we can remove for them. So let's scroll down to see, but first I forgot to show you another service we can offer them. Let's get back to their website and let's look for their social media accounts. Here we have rehab services, amenities, programs, memberships, blog. Let's scroll down to see if we can find their Instagram or their Facebook. Here it is. This is their Facebook and this is their Instagram as well. I think they also have an application, because this is some icons of Apple and also Play Store. So here let's check their Instagram to see if they have someone managing it. And as you can see, they have someone managing their Instagram. Just from these icons you will recognize that it's a professional Instagram. As you can see, they have their Linktree links. So we can't offer that service as well. So what's left for us is to see if they have any bad reviews in their Google Maps profile, and that's what we can offer them, which is removing the bad reviews. So here, let's scroll down, click on more reviews to see if we can find any bad review that we can remove for them. Here, let's scroll down, 5 stars. We need to find a 2-star review or less. That's what we're going to use in order to sell our service to them, because we're going to use that review as a winning card in order to convince them to purchase our service. So here, just scroll down to see if we can find a 1-star review or a 2-star review, but I doubt we can find one. This is 4-star review. I can only check. So just make sure, guys, to check all of the reviews. As you can see, they have only just 56 reviews. That means we can just check them easily. And this is the first 1-star review, but without any comments. We can't use that. We need a comment where they explain why they put a 1-star review. So here, this business, we can't reach them for anything. So let's move on to the next one. Here they have 183 reviews. That means they are way more far from what we are looking for. We are looking for 150 reviews or less. So let's skip this one. And here, this one has 40 reviews, which means that is what we are looking for. So here, let's scroll down again, check the website and check for the bad reviews. And guys, as I said in the beginning, you won't need any skill. So I think now you get the idea of how you can find what you're going to use in order to convince the business owners. And once you find a bad review, you can just call them directly, or you can go to their website and find their social media accounts, then send them a message or a pitch talking about who you are and the service you offer and how this service is going to help them improve their business, and also how it can help them get more money and more clients. And once you land the client, you will just go to fiverr.com. You won't need to learn any skill, just go to fiverr.com, and this is where you can find guys or freelancers with the skill set you are looking for, and you can pay them a small portion of what you're going to get in order to deliver the service instead of you. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with